Hi, I'm Amanda Metters-Paldau, the owner of Triad Tutoring, and we are working through the problems for Test 1, Section 4 of the SAT. So first, I'm going to share my screen. This is going to be problem number 29. For a polynomial p of x, the value of p of 3 is -2. Which of the following must be true about p of x? Now, this is just remainder theorem. And if you don't remember remainder theorem, which a lot of people don't, then you wouldn't be able to get straight to answer D. If you remember the remainder theorem, then you'd be able to get straight to the answer. So let's talk about what happens if you don't remember some of those Algebra 2 concepts. Try to think about what you do know from this problem, because whenever you're not sure, you'd want to rely on process of elimination. So in this case, P of 3 is -2. If I talk about what that means, so 3, remember, inside my parentheses of a function, that's my x value. And what it equals is my y value. So what this is saying is that the point 3, -2 is in that function. So now if I look at what else must be true, so x minus 5 is a factor. Factor means that it's a 0, right? So this means that x minus 5 equals 0. Or in other words, x equals 5 when y equals 0, right? So our point for option A is 5, 0. Similarly, we could apply that to B, and our factor is x minus 2, which means our point is 2, 0. Same thing in C. My point is x, or my factor is x plus 2, which means the coordinates of that point are -2, 0. Well, I can't for sure say that any of those things are true, because the only thing that I definitely know is that this point is part of this function, right? So by default, that would leave us with D. And again, if you're remembering your Algebra 2, then you would remember that remainder theorem, what the remainder is when you divide by a binomial is the same as what that equals when you plug in the x value. So, that's something that you might remember on the SAT. Okay. Thanks for watching.